Hi guys, so my previous video is about how to install Linux in our VirtualBox. So as you can see, I already opened the Linux and you can see it's not a lot of GUI like Windows, because the core for Linux is using a command line. Example, like if you want to open a folder to create a file or text file, you want to copy something, you want to remove the folder or file name, you need to run a command line. So the first thing is you just open the terminal by right click, and it will pop up something like this, means this one the terminal, and it will show you the username and also your host name, which is my current host name is localhost. If you want to check what the current path that you already in or your current path, you just type pwd and it will show you the current path. If you want to check or to see the contents inside this current path, you just type ls and you can see what's the contents for this current path. If you want to go inside the folder, you just need to type cd and choose what folder that you want to go in. Let's say I want to go into download folder, and then you can type ls and you type pwd. So right now I already inside the downloads folder, and if you want to go back to the previous path, you just cd double dot, means it will go up by one step. Okay, see, I already go to the previous path. If you want to create a new folder, you just type mkdir and your folder name, and then you check ls. So testing folder already there, means you already successfully create the folder. And if you want to create a text file, you need to run the vi and then your file name. Let's say I want to create a file name as test.txt. So right now already inside the test.txt. It's like a notepad in Windows, but in Linux we are using vi. This can be used vi or gvim, gedit. So but I'm more familiar with the vi. So by press I, you can start to write something inside the text file, and then you press escape, shift, semicolon, and then WQ. See, if you click shift semicolon, and then you can start your command line from here. And then if you want to save the text file, you just type WQ, means it will save the file name. There. So my test.txt already successfully created. And if you want to see again the contents for the text file, you just type vi and choose the text file. Okay. And if you want to go out, just shift semicolon q and we erase it from the text file. How about if you want to copy this test.txt file to another name? Just by typing cp, that's test.txt, and your new file name. Let's say I want to copy to test_2.txt. So right now I already have test_.txt. Okay, so how about if you want to rename the text file? If you want to rename the file name, you just type mv and then choose which folder or file name that you want to rename, and then your new name that you want to put. Let's say I want to put saitama.txt. So the test.txt will rename to the saitama.txt. Okay, if you want to copy this saitama.txt to another folder, you just type cp saitama.txt and which folder that you want to put. Let's say my videos. I want to put inside my videos and then copy. That we check inside the video folder. So there, we already successfully copied the saitama.txt to my video folder. You must understand that if you want to copy something, actually you need a valid path. Let's say I create a folder test, and then I go inside. I create another folder also, test2, and I go inside the test2 and I create a new text file, vi test copy.txt, and then I just save it. Okay, what's meant by valid path is, means if you want to copy something, you need to know where the path that you want to put. Let's say I want to put inside the picture folder, which is my previous path. You just need insert the correct path. Let's say I want to go up // and then until it find the folder. I want to copy it inside the picture folder. There. You can check it by press tab, which means if you let's say I just insert the keyword name, let's say pi, and then you press tab in your keyboard, you find means the path is valid, and then I copy. So I go up by 2 steps, and then I go into the pictures folder. So as you can see here, I already inside the picture folder, and I check the contents. Yes, my test_cp.txt already successfully to copy to the picture folder. So that means the valid path. If you not enter the valid path, your copy is not successfully to be copied. Okay. So also for the mv, which means move. If you want to move saitama.txt to another folder, you just mv your file name and which folder or path that you want to put this file. Let's say I want to put it inside the desktop, and then ls. So my file already moved to the desktop. Let me check. cd desktop. Yes, my file name already inside the desktop. So that's the basic command that you guys need to know if you use the Linux environment. Without this basic command, is quite difficult if you want to work with Linux environment. So if you join a company that use a Linux environment, this command might be useful for you guys to work with the Linux. Okay, let me start again, what you need to remember, the first command is pwd, and if you want to check the contents, just type ls. If you want to copy something, you need to run copy your original file and then your path or new file name. And if you want to rename or you want to move the file to another folder, you just type mv test_2.txt. You can rename another one, let's say rename.txt, and then if you want to create a text file, your text file, you just type vi my text file.txt, and then press I, insert something, press escape, shift semicolon q, wq, and it will save for you. And that's all. For my next tutorial, I will show to you guys what the script looks like and why script is important for our daily work. So stay tuned. I will prepare the video for you guys, and stay safe, stay at home, and goodbye. Thank you for watching.